Do you want more people to install your app, increase the lifetime value of your app's users, or just improve the return on advertising spent for your app? If so, then we have an advertising objective that does exactly that, and it's called the App Installs Objective. And just like the name suggests, this type of campaign will optimize towards sending people to the App Store, installing your app, and ultimately using your app. What's more exciting is that you can add your app to the event manager or add it later while creating your campaign to further optimize for app installs and also other in-app events. The success of this campaign is measured by total app downloads and in-app events completed. However, this type of measurement can only be done using third-party tracking services. For example, Andy runs an independent game studio. After countless hours designing, programming, and testing, they've just released their first mobile game, Vending Machine Simulator. Now that the game is available on the app stores, Andy wants people to install the app. This is why Andy should create a campaign using the App Installs Objective. Using the App Installs Objective will allow Andy to deliver ads to the people in their target audience most likely to click the link that leads to Vending Machine Simulator's app download page. Additionally, if Andy sets up third-party tracking for their app, they could further optimize their campaigns towards app installs and in-app events, like launching the app, in-app purchases, or achieving a certain level in the game. Something tells me Vending Machine Simulator will be topping the download charts in no time. If you're trying to do something like Andy and introduce your app to TikTok, get started with the App Installs Objective. If you have questions about other advertising objectives, check out the rest of our videos about TikTok Ads Manager's advertising objectives.